let's take a look at some back office usability enhancements. So in e-commerce, there is a particular way of working with things, and we've optimized for that, and that's lists, right? You tend to, in e-commerce, not to work with just one thing, but in fact, many things at one time. You saw me sort of blowing back and forth between lists of things. So we went ahead and enhanced the way we do that. So in particular, we have a new way of working with lists, which enables searching, sorting, filtering your own list like a saved one, and it's much faster than before. And in fact, I've already shown you, but I'm going to show you again just to make sure that I make my point. So when we were working with prices, we were in fact working in the new grid, which is this thing here. The first thing, I'm going to start bottom and then work my way up, is performance of this thing. As Ucommerce has grown, we're able to deal with more and more information. This particular solution, I have 500,000 products set up, and I didn't want to go too nuts with price groups, so I only have a few thousand in here, but you can have more, which means that these lists are super important for the perceived performance of the platform. So we went ahead and introduced the ability to page through, and as you can see, it is super snappy. So it deals with large quantities of data really well. It also enables you to sort, so you can find, whatever you want. These are basic things, right? It enables you to also filter within what you're looking at here. So you can go ahead and say, well, I want something that says group in the middle, and you know what, they all do. So it's kind of dumb. But it means that you can sort of find things that contains, starts with, and you can do ands and ors in here as well. And there are more things to come. And the last party trick, and probably the most important one, is search, right? So you saw me using it very naturally to just basically find the stuff I've been editing. And this is present everywhere, right? So as these lists grow, the search becomes more and more important. And so if I go to my base US dollar, you'll see that in my derived price groups, if you go nuts with them, right, and have lots of derived price group searches available, same thing for price list. And basically what we're doing is, as we build out this list, we are going to introduce it in more and more places in Ucommerce. So you'll have the benefit of it everywhere once we're done. But for now, it is in various different places. So you can work with the data much more fluidly and faster.